I'm news reporter Kimberly Combs with
Kaylee Horton.
and today we will be giving you Channel 5 News broadcasting live, and we will be talking about endangered animals in each continent in the world. Thank you, stay tuned. Hello, I am your news reporter Kimberly Combs off of Breaking News for Channel 5, and today I am going to be telling you about the Mexican bobcat who is endangered in North America. He is endangered because humans are destroying their population and humans are becoming overpopulated in their areas. Also, they are being hunted for their pelts. And they have fur on the side of their face that are often mistaken for being elite. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next news reporter, Kaylee Horton.
Hello, my name is Kaylee Horton, and today I'm going to be telling you about the endangered species, the tiger ocelot. An adult can weigh up to 8 pounds at the most. It can be 25.5 inches at the maximum. Their coats are tan with black, blotchy splotches. It is endangered because it is being hunted for its fur. Many countries have put laws against this, but many other countries have not. In South America, the countries are, I think, Brazil and many others, but many other countries in South Africa have not. And there has been deforestation in their habitats, which is causing them to leave, and then they don't know where to go. So, thank you.
Hello, I am news reporter Kimberly Combs coming to you live on Channel 5 Breaking News. Today we'll be learning about the Indian python that is non-venomous and endangered in Asia. Right here behind us, Gargle Vine. Also, it is found in Burma, China, Thailand, Indochina, and Indonesia. It is hunted for its meat and skin. Habitat loss is due to agricultural development. Also, have a blessed day. Thank you.
Hello, I'm news reporter Kaylee Horton, and you're watching Channel 5 News. Today I'm going to be talking about the endangered species, the blue whale. There are 3 of the subspecies. There are 2,500 left. They are mostly found in Antarctica, but many have been found in Peru. They are hunted for their meat and milk. Please don't hunt this. There are laws against hunting them, so don't break the law.
Hello, I'm news reporter Kimberly Combs coming to you live off of Channel 5 Breaking News. Today we'll be talking about the African wild dog who is endangered. He lives in sub-Saharan Africa, and he travels in a group of 15 or less adults. They prey on livestock, and farmers kill them. That is why they're endangered. They are mammals, and they have very powerful, strong jaws and sharp teeth. And thank you. Have a great day.
This is Channel 5 News, and today we're talking about the aquatic black bear. This mammal is called the moon bear because of the light appearing on his chest. Some areas where they are found is Afghanistan, Budapest, China, India, and Japan. They live in a forest habitat. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hello, mate. I'm Kimberly Combs coming to you live from Australia, Channel 5 Breaking News. Please stay tuned to learn about the Tasmanian forest kangaroo who is punching Joey. They live in the outback, and they are very low in population, and it lives in Australia, in the area of Tasmania, plenty of meat. And they also die off because disease, road deaths, and climate change. Excellent sense of smell. Let me tell you, you guys can smell me from a mile away. Thank you. Please have a great day, man. Oh, yeah.
Emily, you can see through your hat.
Beast monkey.
Wait, hold on. Can you see through me?
No.
You can see through my hand.
Yeah.
Marshmallow. Yeah. No. I mean, actually,
Oh wait, it's still going.
Hey guys, y'all wanna all hit the focus on 3 while she records it? Okay. Can you redo it? Like,
Yeah.
unless y'all. It's our favorite clouds. First the clouds lay the beat down.
Y'all guys know better than this now.
Hey. Hold on, let me catch my breath. You can spit.
Oh, that's your friend. Well, tag him in. Bang, tag your friend. Tag your friend. Like, no.